girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. This is the winter edition. I feel like this is long overdue, even though winter has officially begun. In retail, in Walmart's eyes, it is the springtime, so they're putting out their spring items and their winter items are on sale. So it's very hard for me to make this video. I literally pieced everything together. It is a mixture between winter and spring items, if that makes sense, but I'll let you know which is which, and I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's get into it. So for this first look, we are jumping straight into a graphic sweat top. You know I love a graphic sweat top tee, sis, I love it. So yeah, I got this from the men's section, and it's no other than Tupac. The brand just says Tupac. I don't know what that's about, but yeah, it's just Tupac. And then she was, girl, how much was she? She was $19.98, which is a steal because graphic tops at like Urban Outfitters are like $40. At Forever 21 it's like $30. So yeah, $19.98 is such a steal. She is lightweight. I want to say it is a winter item and not spring. I think it's just, you know, just lightweight material because it is Walmart. You're not going to get that plush thick material all the time. So yeah, I think for the price it's definitely a steal. Again, just Tupac. It's an ombre effect, and she's cute, y'all. It says California Love at the bottom, and yeah, I love it. The medium is my, did I tell you I got it in a size medium? I think I did. I don't know if I did, but I got it in a size medium. Medium is my normal size. I normally upsize, but I didn't this time, which I'm glad I didn't because the large was looking fairly large. So yeah, the medium just fits me perfectly. Not oversized, but just the perfect fit for me. And she is cute, y'all, especially for the price point. So anyway, I paired it with these bottoms that I got from the junior section. The brand says Tinseltown. I've been seeing this brand a lot lately at my Walmart. I don't know who Tinseltown is, but they made some cute cargo pants. I believe this came in another color as well, but I chose this like little gray taupe color. I think it came in black, I want to say. But yeah, I chose this gray taupe color because I'm all for color. I don't want a black pair of pants. I got them in a size large, and they were $17.98, y'all. $17.98 for a pair of cargo pants. Like, these are so cute. Again, this is one of the items where that has just came in, so I don't know if it's giving winter or spring, but they are fairly light. If you need like that warmth or whatever, I would just put on a pair of leggings before putting these pants on, because you do, or me personally, I do have enough room. They are fairly stretchy because it has like the little cinched in stretch at the back, which I love. At first I didn't think I was gonna like it. I just probably rather have a regular pair of jeans without that in the back, but girl, like, it just gives that touch, like it cinches in your waist, and I love that. Now I did size up because this is from the junior section, so size large is my upsize, and I'm glad I did upsize in them because the large fits me like a medium, and it just fits me to the T. And the length, let's talk about the length. I was so shocked that the length was long enough for my legs. Now I have long legs, I'm 5'7", and the length was so perfect long. Perfect, y'all. Like, it's not too long, it's not too short, like literally just perfect, like how I like my pants to be. So yeah, I really love these, y'all. And then it has like the little pocket little things. Now I probably won't use the pockets just because I'm not gonna feel like getting into them. You see how you got to get into them? Like, I ain't about to do all that. These is just really for show or whatever, but I'm glad it does come with pockets at the top. Like, she is cute, y'all, and lightweight. So again, I paired it offsetting like the blue in the shirt. My blues are a little off, but it is what it is. But the blue hat is from Urban Outfitters. That was the only hat that I had because Walmart didn't have one, because I did check anyway. And then my blue Jordans, and she's cute. And then the bag is from Zara, just to bring in some more blue, but not too much blue. So I just paired it with a denim bag, and I think the look is looking. So this next look, y'all, this next look has been me literally this whole winter. I have been throwing on a pair of boots, a jacket, and some cargos all winter long. Like, I love the look, and a hat because I haven't been doing my hair, so I just been throwing on a hat. So this look, I love this look. So I got this coat or jacket from the junior section again, y'all. Like the juniors been hitting. Like, don't sleep on the junior section, because normally I be sleep because they don't really be having anything. Anyway, I got it in a size extra large. I did upsize 2 times because the jacket was given kid jacket, because again it's from the juniors, and I just needed that room and just like that oversizedness how I like it. So yeah, I did upsize to an extra large. This jacket was $19.98. Like, sis, $19.98 for this Teddy jacket. Get into it. She is so cute. The material is so warm. It has pockets in the front. Like, sis, I am so glad. And I had to hurry up and get this jacket because the girls was going for this jacket. It comes in this color, as well as I guess for Valentine's Day, it had a light cream jacket with the pink, girls about to say purple, with pink hearts on it. It was so cute, but it was given too kiddish for me. But for somebody, for somebody's child, sis, it's gonna hit. But this one was right up my alley, my speed. She is cute. Again, extra large, fits me to the T. It's oversized. It's kind of big in the arms, but again, I love that oversized look. And it's cropped too. Like, sis, like a little cropness going on. She is giving. So I paired her with this cream tank top that is super old from Walmart, No Boundaries. I just paired it with that. I don't have it because, girl, it's old. Like, you can get literally a top for anywhere. The next thing I paired it with was this cream, just to bring in more cream. This cream hat that is time and true. It was $5.97. It's one size. And again, y'all, I literally just been throwing on hats and beanies all winter long, and it's gonna keep you warm yet stylish at the same time. Like, I just thought it was cute. The next thing I paired it with was the bottoms. Now the bottoms are, again, another pair of cargo bottoms from the junior section. I live in cargos, y'all. Like, I just been living in cargo pants. Now these ones I for sure think are for the springtime. Even though the color is giving winter, they're just so light and airy, and it doesn't say twill, but they're just so light. Like, I would definitely need to put on a layer underneath, like some thermal leggings or whatever, because they're just so light. So yeah, junior section, No Boundaries, size medium, and these were $17.98. Now I did not upsize in these because the size large was giving too big. So yeah, I just went ahead and got the medium. I probably could have did the size large because these, I don't know if they're supposed to be hip huggers or like that low rise, but they're definitely giving low rise, and they're not giving high waters. The length is literally just perfect. Like, especially with my boots, you can't tell, but when I take my shoes off, it's like it's literally right there. And I like to have like a little room, because once you wash it, I don't want it to shrink. So I would definitely need to wash this on cold, but with the shoes on, like, girl, it's perfect. Like, these look so good. I love the color because the color is screaming winter with that dark forest green, and the color literally says forest green on here. Like, it's just perfect, y'all. It has pockets at the bottom, pockets at the top, and she's cute. Does she cinch in? She does not cinch in at the bottom. But y'all, when I say these are cute, and then the color combination, like, I'm going for neutrals. Like, I just love it. So the bag is from Zara. Again, we're just going all neutrals. It doesn't need to match. It's just a vibe. If you get it, you get it. Oh, this next look, y'all, I think this next look is my favorite. This is definitely my favorite look. If you know me, you know I'm always in a pair of sneakers and a hat, and I just literally love to throw on something and look effortlessly cute. And this is definitely giving effortlessly cute. So this is, again, from the junior section. Y'all, this is the most I have shopped from the junior section. Like, the junior section has never hit for me before. Like, I have to go to the men's section. But the junior section, sis, she was hitting, at least in my store. So anyways, this is, again, No Boundaries, size large, and it was $12.98. Sis, $12.98. Like, where are you getting a jumpsuit at for $12? So anyway, so yeah, size large. I definitely could downsize. My store only had one of these, and it was a size large. I went to another store and seen some more, so I'm definitely gonna have to revisit that other store and get me a size medium, because I really like this jumpsuit, especially for the price point. It's very stretchy. It doesn't say the material, it just says unitard. When you know that, let me see. girl, I don't know what the material is. Polyester, 50% polyester, and 20% spandex and 50% recycled polyester. Y'all, this has got to be the softest jumpsuit and the most comfortable jumpsuit I have ever owned. Like, I really love this jumpsuit. It comes with a built-in bra. You see that? Built in, so you don't even have to wear a bra. That's how comfortable this is. Even though I wore a bra with mine because I didn't feel like taking it off, girl, it's just so comfy. Then it has adjustable straps. Yes, girl, like, it just cannot get any better. When I say I love this, okay, so the material again is the polyester. It's very stretchy, it's not itchy at all, and it's not too tight. You know, sometimes you get those unitards that you just want to hurry up and take off because it's either itchy or it's way too tight, and it's just not like the material that is comfortable against your skin. This, yeah, I think it came in another color at that other store, so I think I'm gonna go back and get 2 mediums in each color, or 1 medium in each color. So yeah, she's cute, y'all. She's cute, but the large does give that little fupa gathered in the front of my, you know, hoo-ha. So yeah, it just is what it is. I don't know if the medium's gonna do that, but we gonna see. Anyways, I paired her with this jacket, which just made the look. It made the look a look. This jacket, y'all, so again, the junior section, extra large. I think this one was 19.2. Yeah, she was 19.98. Such a steal. And then it's cropped, so you already know why I upsized, because I love an oversized look, but this was literally giving baby jacket, so I had to upsize twice because the large was still giving little kid, and the extra large fits me to the T. Like, sis, is giving size medium, or at least a size large in my eyes. I love the fit, the price point, perfect. It is a lightweight jacket, so definitely, well, you can wear it this winter because this winter has been hot. Like, I don't know what's been going on with the weather, but this winter it has been 60 degrees and normally it's like 30. So I definitely could wear it for this winter, but I definitely can wear it for the springtime because, you know, spring is still chilly. But she's cute, y'all. Like, this is definitely a staple piece in your wardrobe. You need a black jacket, and she's cute. Not too heavy, not too light, like perfect. Upsized twice, and it's gonna eat. So I paired it with black and orange because I didn't want to just do too much black. So my hat is from Ross, my bag is old from Zara, and then of course I just got on some Jordans, and then I put the high socks on to make it look like I'm doing something, like I'm that girl. The fit is giving. So this last look, we have us another comfortable look. I feel like the whole wardrobe was giving comfortable. The whole haul is giving comfortable. So yeah, this is another little throw-on outfit. It's actually a set. If you couldn't already tell, it's a set, and this came in another color, which was purple. But I feel like the purple was giving too much spring, and I'm trying to stick to like winter vibes. So yeah, this is probably a spring item as well, but you can wear it in the winter time. So again, from the juniors, y'all, was this a juniors haul except for that one item that I got from the men's section? Anyways, I got in size medium. I did not upsize. I stuck with my normal size. This top was $14.98, and yeah, she's cute, y'all, and she's cropped. I have never seen cropped in Walmart, at least nothing that I can recall. So I immediately went to this. They actually came out with just a regular hoodie, so if you don't like cropped, it comes in a regular hoodie as well, with the whole little, you know, same color, and it came in that with purple, and they had light brown too, so I can't wait to see the light brown jumpsuit. But anyway, it comes in a regular, so if cropped is not your thing, you can still get the hoodie. But she's cute, y'all. You know I love a crop moment. I had to zip it down, do it a little off the shoulder, little vibe, because that's just me. But yeah, so this is the bottoms that it pairs with. I again got these bottoms in a size medium because the bottoms was giving, the large was giving droopy, and I knew that this was stretchy material, so I'm definitely glad I just went with my regular size, because yeah, the large would have gave definitely like droopy, and I'm not trying to look droopy. So medium, these were $14.98 as well, so 14 for the top, 14 for the bottom, or I should say 15 because it's $14.98. But yeah, like super cute, y'all. Very stretchy material. The only thing that I was just like, because it didn't have pockets. Like, I went to stick my hand in the pocket and it was no pockets. Like, like, why you ain't got no pockets? Like, I need to put my lip gloss somewhere. I guess I can put my lip gloss here at the bottom, but really, scientifically speaking, who is putting something in these pockets right here? Like, nobody is. Walmart, do better. Anyways, the outfit is still cute. Again, size medium. It is like kind of like high waters on me, so I did put the long socks. I mean, I wear my long socks anyway, but it's giving like ankle because I got them in a size medium. Now I did have to, because the crouch lifts up, so it's kind of like a high-waisted pants. I tried to like put them down to the bottom, but the crouch was like hanging, and it's stretchy material, so it was just, and then my torso is small, so the jacket don't look like, it's a lot going on. It's a lot going on, but the outfit is still cute. I did my thing with the look, but yeah, the pants is giving ankle on me personally. On me, it's giving ankle. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. But the outfit is still cute. I paired it with a black and white hat from Ross, my black and white cross little body from Zara, and then my white and black dunks from Nike. And she's a look, y'all. She's a look too. She's a look. There's a lot going on, but she's a look. Okay, sis, so that is it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.